Motherland bee, motherland, motherland, motherland bee.
Good. Let's wait for the truck to pass by. Good morning, honey makers. How y'all doing? If you're new to my channel, hey, new honey maker, welcome. Go on ahead and press the subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, guys, it is today. Again, can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I woke up early for this. Well, relatively early. The time is, ooh, can you see that? It's 9:38 in the morning, the 2nd of July. 2nd of July 2018. So I'm out here at McDonald's. I'm gonna get their breakfast and then get pizza and some snacks. I just came to the nearby local shopping center because I heard that there's gonna be a strike today because of the petrol hike. The petrol price is going up and people are like, the petrol prices keep going up, so then we ain't going anywhere. We're gonna close all the major intersections, the main streets and whatnot. So I'm not trying to risk it. I mean, it's not on the news at the moment, which is kind of why isn't it on the news? But yeah, so I decided to just come to the nearby shopping center, get everything that I need, and then go home and eat it there. Okay, let's go to McDonald's. Mickey D's. Apparently it's open 24 hours. Hey. Okay, got the McDonald's right here. Got hot cake. I got a mega, I don't know what that accent is, sorry. I got a mega McMuffin. I got an apple pie and 2 hash browns and an OJ. Can you believe, guys, that the pizza place wasn't open yet? And it was, that was 10 o'clock. What makes you think that I do not want pizza for breakfast? I feel like the assumption is so offensive. But yeah, I had to get the pizza from the grocery store. But it's fine. I'll show you guys as I eat. Okay? Let's go have brekkies. It is 11 a.m. Can you probably see the front? Yeah, 11 a.m. 2nd of July. It is hot. We're about to get into this breakfast. So like I said, I've got a mega McMuffin. Guys, just side note, excuse my nails. I know they are terrible. I just haven't had the opportunity to get my nails done. So please don't get triggered by me having nails like this. Okay, I'll get them done soon. And they are short now because you saw how long my nails were, right? And those are my natural nails. Like, I don't put any fake things. The one nail broke. It was painful. It was crazy. But I just thought I cannot walk around with one broken nail and looking like I'm swearing at everybody. So I decided in a rage, okay, no, not in a rage, but with sadness, to cut all of them. So I have short nails now. Anyway, enough about that. So I got the mega McMuffin. I got 2 hash browns. I got the hot cakes. Apple pie. And an OJ. The mega. Whoa. The mega McMuffin. Whoa. Okay. The cheese is melted all over the paper though. How crazy. So we have sausage. We have the English muffin. We have sausage. we have egg, we have, is that ham or bacon? I'm not sure. Ham or bacon and cheese that is melted all over the packet. But doesn't that look amazing? Ooh, let's get into it. Guys, just another side note. This is actually the first time I have a proper McDonald's breakfast. Ever. The last time and the first time I had McDonald's, it was just a McMuffin. Didn't have an egg or anything in it, and by the time I ate it, it was super cold, so it wasn't a good experience. And I've never had hash browns before. I know. How triggered are you right now? Okay, let's take a bite. Let's take a bite. Wow, the cheese is like super melted. I'm surprised that it's still warm. Mmm. Mmm. There's ketchup in here. There's ketchup in here. Tomato sauce. Mmm. That's actually really good. Wow. Mm. Check out the cheese on there. I know I keep showing you the cheese, but check out the cheese on there. Wow. Let's dig into some of this OJ. There's something about McDonald's OJ. What is it? Last bite. Should I team big bite this? Should I just, okay, maybe I can. Can I? Should I? Would I? I will. I absolutely hands down give that mega McMuffin from McDonald's, obviously because it's McMuffin, an 8 out of 10. It was great. The McDonald's OJ though, like, what's going on, McDonald's? Now, for the first time ever, I'm gonna try the infamous hash brown from McDonald's. Okay. 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 I see you. It's good. I'll give the hash brown a 7.5 out of 10. Because I mean it's literally just potato. Good potato, yes, but just potato nonetheless. So I'm gonna put this one away. Maybe somebody else will eat it. And now it's time for the hot cake. The hot cake came with some of this. Can you see it? The hot cake syrup and some butter delight. Get some butter on there. Oh, I can't see. Put some butter on there. Ooh, baby. Oh, mama. Ooh, baby. Ooh, honey. Oh, baby. Ooh, honey. All right. Let's dig in. I got an actual proper fork for this. Is anybody understand? First bite right there. Look at that glistening syrup. Look at it. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this fork. Where's the matter? Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Look at how nice and fluffy it is in there. Ooh wee. This is so good. Guys. Oh. Can't waste. Can't waste. Gotta get every last drop on there. Guys, you don't understand how much I look forward to cheat days. It's like, okay, I'm not gonna have this last hot cake because I feel like I'm a 7 out of 10 in terms of fullness. And now for the apple pie. I'm loving it. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, interesting. It kind of looks like a spring roll, doesn't it? It looks like a spring roll, right? Okay, let's take a bite. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Look at that. Okay. Oh. Wow. Tastes like real apple pie, and it's got apple bits in it. Oh my goodness. Look at how good that looks. Oh! Whoa! Fun fact, I'm not really into fruit pies. But this right here, honey makers, is turning things around for me. Wow. Oh my gosh. That, my friends, was amazing. I will give that apple pie a 9.5 out of 10. I'm gonna go have some probiotics because ain't no really good time. I'll see you next meal.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I just woke up from a nap. Woo! Like a 2-hour nap. Now it's time for the pizza. We need to prepare it. Lego. Okay, so I got 2 large pizzas. One is a club that has mozzarella, barbecue chicken, pepper jaw, mushroom, and it actually comes with this. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on. This chipotle dressing. Then we have a cheese and tomato with oregano large pizza. These are both from Woolies because remember I told you that that other pizza place was closed and all got touched, but it's fine. Let's put them in the oven. Oh, look at that bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. Okay guys, it is pizza time. And the actual time is, come on man, come on. Come on. It's 3:13, 3:14, 2nd of July. I'm gonna have my pizza with this prawn cocktail. It's a prawn cocktail flavored snack, seafood flavored snack from Woolworths. I mean, look how pretty they are. Look how pretty this is, guys. Let's see my face. Isn't that pretty? Can you see it? And it literally just melts in your mouth. So I have the club pizza, the margarita pizza, and the sauce, the chipotle sauce for the club pizza. Snack, Coke Zero. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the club pizza without the sauce just yet. Just gonna taste it like that. I mean, for a grocery store pizza, it's not that bad. Let's try it with a bit of this chipotle sauce. Just a bit. Just right down the edge. Okay. Some chipotle sauce on there. Oh, there's the chipotle. It actually does taste better with the sauce. The crunch. Some Coke Zero. I actually wanted Pepsi, but I couldn't find any. I'm thinking about the never have I ever video I did with Livoni the other day. If you haven't seen it yet, it's right here. Check it out. I found out some new things about that girl. I was shook. I think it's better filming these cheat days in my room because there's no noise. It's just you and I, baby. It's just you and I. I get seriously triggered when I see somebody eat pizza and then leave the crust. Like, what is going on with you? What's happening? Your level of commitment is really low. It's shocking. Okay, next is the cheesy margarita. Let me just tell you, I did take a paper towel and dab the oil off because it was, whew, it's getting heart palpitations just looking at it, you know. Just a regular old margarita pizza, you know. Ooh, but maybe I could take it to another level and put on this here chipotle sauce. That was meant for the club pizza. Woo, child. Woo. Okay. I hope this tastes as good. I hope it tastes just as good. They should offer this sauce, this chipotle sauce, for all their pizzas in their grocery store. I would. Levels, people. Levels. I'm gonna try the pizza with this, with the chipotle sauce and this prawn cocktail snack. You gotta keep progressing in life, you know, so take it to the next level. Wow, guys, did I just create a new pizza for Woolworths? Did I? I think I just did. Hey, Woolworths, I'ma need some. I'ma invoice you. Last bite. Okay, I'll see you guys in a moment for dessert.
A few moments later.
Okay, dessert time. Right now it is 3:38, 2nd of July. For dessert I got a couple of things, a bunch of things, not a couple, because a couple is two. More than two is just the bunch. I got some Nougatelli cookies from Woolworths, but they are originally from the Netherlands. And I got these cookies from Woolworths. I used to love these cookies back in the day. What am I talking about back in the day? It is my day today. Right here, right now is my day. This is the Lindt Creation hazelnut something. Divine hazelnut milk chocolate. I'll be trying this for the first time, and I'll be trying these for the first time. Let's open these. Nougatelli, how you doing? Ooh. I love it when chocolate chips stand out like that. How pretty! Let's take a bite. There's chocolate inside. It actually tastes like Nutella, because it is cookies with delicious hazelnut cream inside. Tastes like Nutella. Look at that. That is so good. Oh, I didn't rate the pizza. Okay, so the club pizza, I give that a 6 out of 10, but with the sauce I give it a 6.5 out of 10. The margarita pizza, I give it a 5, but with the sauce and the prawn cocktail chip on top, honey, it's also a 6.5 to 7. 6.5 to 7 out of 10. One more. Last bite of the Nougatelli cookies. I think I'll give the Nougatelli cookies an 8 out of 10. No, an 8.5 out of 10. They are wonderful. Next, the Divine Hazelnut Creation from Lindt that I'm trying for the first time. I mean, look at that. How pretty. How pretty is this? Like, it's like you don't want to eat it. But I am, so here we go. The snap on that chocolate. Did you see the snap? Okay, here we go. Oh. It just melts in your mouth, guys. and the hazelnut just comes through like just. It just does that. There's no word for it. The hazelnut flavor just goes. Definitely give this a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. It's like it just dances with you, you know. This is what it does. And last but not least, guys, last but certainly not least, I still have my Coke Zero. Let me just have a sip just to clean my palate for this beauty that's about to happen right now. These chocolate embroidered crunchies, guys, these cookies are out of this world. They are just, I don't know. Guys, look at this cookie. Wow. Okay guys, that is it for dessert. I will see you when it's supper time. What?
One eternity later.
Okay, last and final meal of the cheat day. The time is... What is the time, she asks? It is 9:35 p.m. still 2nd of July. The final meal is some ribs. These are pork ribs, barbecue pork ribs, and some fries with a bit of sriracha. Guys, these are by far the best ribs in my opinion. They are from a restaurant called Cilantro's in Santon. They are not even succulent, they are succulent. They're amazing. What? So juicy. The basting, not too sweet, not too salty. It's got that umami vibe, I think. I literally prefer eating ribs at home when I'm comfortable and I can just munch. I absolutely hate eating ribs in public because I'm just not comfortable. You know, because I need to be savage about this. You know, like this. You know, look at how juicy this is. Hey, I mean, come on. Wow. I saw somebody on the tube. I can't even say that she was eating wings. She literally took the wings, sucked off the sauce, and put them to the side. What? Talking about, I don't really eat the wings. I just like the sauce, girl. Why don't you just go to the place and tell them, can I have the sauce that you put on the wings? Because I was triggered. I was triggered, bruh. Final bite. Out of cheap there. It's the sad part, really. But it's gotta happen. Let go. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll put a link in the description box of my previous cheat day video so you can check that out. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Motherland bee, motherland, motherland.